1 million users signed up for this AI tool in the first 24 hours. That's faster than ChatGPT's initial launch. The company behind it, they're already valued at $2 billion and they just changed the game completely. This isn't just another ChatGPT clone. While everyone's been focused on text generation, Nexus AI just launched something that actually watches your screen, learns your workflow, and automates entire tasks without you teaching it anything. Here's why this affects your job directly. Remember when calculators didn't replace mathematicians, but changed what mathematicians do? This tool is about to do the same thing for knowledge workers. But here's the twist. The twist is that it's not replacing jobs, it's creating entirely new ones. Early beta testers are reporting 5x productivity increases, and some are already building businesses around what this tool can do. Let me show you exactly what makes this different. Traditional AI tools require prompts. You type, it responds. This tool watches your screen in real time and anticipates what you need before you ask. Sarah, a marketing manager from Austin, used it to create an entire campaign strategy. Usually takes her team 3 weeks. The AI did it in 4 hours, including market research, competitor analysis, and creative briefs. But here's where it gets interesting. The tool doesn't just automate tasks, it learns your specific style. It analyzed Sarah's previous campaigns and matched her brand voice perfectly. Her clients couldn't tell the difference. The technology behind this is called contextual process intelligence. Instead of training on generic internet data, it trains on how actual professionals work. Think of it as AI that went to business school. Nexus AI partnered with 50 Fortune 500 companies to train this system. They fed it millions of hours of actual work sessions, emails, presentations, strategy sessions, creative processes. That's the secret sauce. Now here's the part that's making tech giants nervous. Google just announced they're accelerating their AI assistant development. Microsoft moved up their Copilot updates by 6 months. Why the panic? Because this tool is already doing what they promised for 2027. It's not just answering questions or generating content. It's actually completing workflows end-to-end. That changes everything about the AI race. Let me break down the 3 ways this impacts you directly. First, if you're in content creation, design, or marketing, this could 10x your output while maintaining quality. I'm talking real productivity, not just faster typing. Second, if you're in data analysis or research, the tool can process spreadsheets, generate insights, and create presentations faster than teams of analysts. One user processed 2 years of sales data in 30 minutes. Third, and this is huge for developers, it writes tests and debugs code while understanding your entire project structure. It's like having a senior developer pair programming with you 24/7. But here's the reality check. The free version limits you to 10 tasks per day. The pro version, $299 per month. That's positioning it as enterprise software, not consumer AI. Which brings us to the adoption challenge. At $300 monthly, individual users can't justify it unless they're making serious money. But companies are already signing enterprise deals worth millions. The early numbers are telling a story. 70% of current users are freelancers billing over $150 per hour, agencies or tech startups. They can justify the cost because it directly increases their revenue. Now let's talk about what this means for the future, because this is where things get really interesting. If this tool succeeds, we're looking at a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. Small teams will be able to compete with large corporations. A 3-person startup with this AI could outproduce a 30-person traditional team. That's not speculation, beta testers are already proving it. The job market implications are massive. We're not talking about job losses, we're talking about job transformation. The workers who adapt fastest will command premium salaries. Those who don't adapt will find themselves competing with AI-enhanced workers who can deliver 10 times the output. It's not about human versus AI anymore, it's about AI-enhanced humans versus traditional workers. Here's my prediction for the next 12 months. Every major consulting firm, marketing agency, and software company will either adopt this type of tool or build their own. The competition is about to get intense. And here's the most surprising insight that nobody's talking about yet. This tool is generating so much processed work that it's creating a new problem: information overload. Users are producing more than they can review. That's creating demand for a new type of worker, AI output specialists who can quickly evaluate and refine AI-generated work. It's like how film editors became crucial when cameras got better. Bottom line, this launch isn't just about one new AI tool, it's the starting gun for the next phase of AI adoption. The question isn't whether this will change how we work, it's whether you'll be leading that change or catching up to it. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily AI and tech news updates.